A 10-year-old boy decided to study judo despite the fact that he had lost his left arm in a devastating car accident. The boy began lessons with an old Japanese judo master. The boy was doing well, so he couldn't understand why, after 3 months of training, the master had taught him only one move. The boy finally said, "Sir, shouldn't I be learning more moves?" Sir replied, "This is the only move you know, but this is the only move you will ever need to know." Not quite understanding, but believing in his teacher, the boy kept training. Several months later, Sir took the boy to his first tournament. Surprising himself, the boy easily won his first 2 matches. The third match proved to be more difficult, but after some time, his opponent became impatient and charged. The boy then courageously used his one move to win the match. Still amazed by his success, the boy was now in the finals. This time, his opponent was bigger, stronger, and more experienced. For a while, the boy appeared to be overmatched. Concerned that the boy might get hurt, the referee called a timeout. He was about to stop the match when his sir intervened and said, "No, let him continue." Soon after the match resumed, his opponent made a critical mistake. He dropped his guard. Instantly, the boy used his move and pinned him. The boy had won the match and the tournament. He was the champion. On the way home, the boy and sir reviewed every move in each and every match. Then the boy gathered all the courage and asked what was really on his mind. "Sir, how did I win the tournament with only one move?" Sir answered, "You won for 2 reasons. First, you have almost mastered one of the most difficult throws in all of judo by practicing it million number of times. And second, the only known defense for that move is to grab your left arm." So every one of us has got some or the other weakness. In this case, it was the left arm. So कोई भी हो guys, whether you are a CA student, professional हो, businessman हो, कुछ ना कुछ weakness हर इंसान में होती है. And there are times when we are feeling like absolutely worst, why is this happening to me? ऐसे incidents होने वाले हैं life में कभी ना कभी. At that point in time, एक चीज़ ध्यान में रखनी है कि जितना जिस चीज़ पे फोकस करेंगे वो ग्रो होने वाली है. Now it's in our hand that we focus on our strengths or on our weaknesses, because what we focus on grows. ऐसे टाइम पे अगर अपन अपने स्ट्रेंथ्स पे फोकस करें तो एंटायर टेबल्स कैन टर्न. लाइफ को देखने का आपका पूरा पर्सपेक्टिव ही बदल सकता है इफ यू फोकस ऑन योर स्ट्रेंथ्स. सो दिस वीडियो, द मैसेज इन दिस वीडियो इज नॉट जस्ट रिस्ट्रिक्टेड टू योर एग्जाम्स तो आपकी लाइफ का इतना सा पार्ट है, बट लुक एट द ब्रॉडर पर्सपेक्टिव. लाइफ इन जनरल इज गोइंग टू हैव ट्रिमेंडस अप्स एंड डाउन्स. So that's why, just to give you a perspective, I thought of sharing it. ताकि अगर आगे जाके आप कभी भी stuck हो जाओ किधर लाइफ में, तो the moral in this message helps you to face it and not escape from the situation. So before signing out, a quick update for CA Foundation students. Unacademy, it's starting its batch for CA Foundation May 2021 attempt from the 26th of October. So I'm leaving all the details and the link in the description box below. You can go and check that out. The classes are at affordable prices. All the best. Bye.